Unfortunately, today I had to take down my green stalk because of a major problem. Let's find out what the problem is and then we are going to be fixing it together. Rise and shine, CML family. It's your girl Evie. Guys, after my babbling, my complaining, I am still in the garden. Still in the garden to fix another problem. As y'all just saw, I had to take down my brand new green stalk. Had to take it down because there is a major problem with it. So guys, when I was installing the green stalk, I did not read the manual. Did not. And before I go further, let me just encourage everybody out there, when you buy appliances or get anything new, for the love of God, read the manual. You see this in my hand? This is a piece of hose that was supposed to be attached to the bottom of my spinner. So guys, this is where I should have attached the piece of hose, but I didn't do it simply because I did not take the time to read the manual. So now I am attaching the pipe. All right, there it is. The pipe is now attached. But this is not the end of my problem, you all. So when I stacked the green stalks on top of each other, I noticed that it was leaning to this side. I don't know if you all saw when I was trying to get it leveled when I was installing it. It was tilting to this side a little bit. When I just took them down, I noticed that this side of the ground is actually higher than this side. So now guys, I'm gonna have to dig this down or rake it down and set something in here to level my green stalk. So let's do this together. So my peeps, this level is telling me that I can now restock my green stalks because I now have a very level foundation. So guys, on second thoughts, I don't think I'm going to use this piece of pipe on the base because it said it's optional, and then when I just added it to the base of that thing there, it was protruding out in the walkway, and I do not want that to be a risk for me because I can step on it. I don't know what can happen, you know, with this out in the way, so I'm not going to be using it. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and stack the planters. But what I'm gonna be doing is to leave the section at the front, right, where the hose have to be connected, should in case I want to connect it, I know exactly where to put it. So my CML fam, after stacking these 3 tiers, and was preparing to add another one, I decided that I am not going to stack every single one of them on top of each other. I'm going to be breaking down the GreenStalk. So instead of having a 5-tier GreenStalk, I am going to have 3, and then the other 2 that is left, I am going to be placing them somewhere in the garden. So the next time you come back to visit the channel and the garden, you will see exactly where I will be putting the other 2 tiers, okay? So after moving back and forth, I realized that the visibility with the 3 tiers was looking much better for the center of the garden right there. Now I'm going to have to brainstorm and find a place to put the other 2, and I'm pretty sure that I am going to find a perfect spot to put them. So my viewers and subscribers, I hope that today's video was somewhat helpful, because if we do not have our green stalks on a level area or surface, believe me, it can be a major problem. It can fall, and everything that you are growing in that green stalk can be damaged. You don't want to put in a lot of hard work to put your stuff in your green stalks, and because the surface is not level, you're going to be losing all of that food that you've been growing. You don't want that to happen. So we have to take extra precaution to ensure that we set up our green stalks properly initially. All right? Once again, I would like to express my gratitude to Miss Kathy from over there in Glory's Garden. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for gifting me with this green stalk. I really and truly love it. Now I'm going to have to save my pennies, nickels, and dimes to ensure that I get maybe 1 or 2 more for my garden. So thanks again, Miss Kathy. And guys, please remember to go over and support Kathy over there in Glory's Garden. She's growing in a variety of green stalks. You should go and check them out, guys. They are extremely beautiful. All right, now before I go, let me also encourage somebody to start your garden if you have not yet done so. Just do it 1 container at a time, because remember now, slow motion is better than no motion. So until next time, happy gardening, and I will see you soon in the next video.